Welcome to Budbender Park, located at 235 North Lilac Avenue in the city of Rialto, a community park rooted in youth sports, recreation, and local tradition. As you arrive, you'll notice the open layout and accessible entry points that make the park easy to navigate for families, teams, and visitors alike. With convenient parking nearby, Budbender Park is thoughtfully designed to accommodate players, spectators, and community members gathering for practices, games, and special events throughout the year. Budbender Park is named in honor of Bud Bender, a dedicated community member who played a significant role in supporting youth athletics in Rialto. Known for his commitment to local baseball programs and his passion for mentoring young athletes, he helped foster opportunities for children to learn teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. The park stands as a lasting tribute to his impact and the strong recreational spirit he helped build in the community. Now, let's take a look around and explore everything the park has to offer. We'll start here at the playground, a vibrant and welcoming space where kids can climb, slide, and let their imaginations run free. It's the perfect spot for little ones to stay active while families relax and enjoy the surrounding scenery. Just nearby, you'll find a shaded shelter featuring 7 picnic tables and a barbecue pit. Whether you're hosting a birthday celebration, gathering with friends and family, or cheering on your team between games, this area offers a comfortable and convenient place to come together. Up next is the pony field, where young athletes take the field to practice, compete, and grow their love for the game. You can often feel the energy here as teams build confidence, develop skills, and create lasting memories. Close by, you'll find the park's restrooms, conveniently located to ensure a comfortable visit for everyone spending time at the park. Right next door is the Dodger Dream Field, a standout feature of the park. This field expands opportunities for local youth baseball and softball programs, providing a high-quality space where players of all skill levels can shine. As we continue along, you'll come across outdoor exercise equipment, a great way to stay active while enjoying the fresh air and open surroundings. Just ahead, you'll notice even more fitness stations thoughtfully placed throughout the park, giving visitors a variety of opportunities to build strength, improve fitness, and stay energized. Along the path, you'll also find open-air benches, a simple yet perfect spot to take a break, enjoy the view, or watch the activity happening around you. Continuing forward, you'll see additional exercise equipment, making it easy to turn a casual visit into a full-body outdoor workout. Up next is one of the park's most unique and meaningful features, the historic Adobe House. Built in 1853, this structure offers a glimpse into Rialto's early history and reflects the architectural style and way of life of that era. The building originally stood on the north side of Walnut Avenue between Riverside and Sycamore Avenue and was relocated to Budbender Park in 1961 for preservation. Today, it stands as a lasting reminder of the city's roots and the importance of preserving local history for future generations. Nearby, you'll find the community garden, a special place where residents can come together to grow plants, learn new skills, and connect with one another. It's a space that truly reflects community pride and collaboration. And finally, we wrap up our tour at another set of open-air benches, a peaceful spot to relax, recharge, and enjoy the surroundings before heading out. Whether you're here for sports, fitness, family time, or simply to enjoy the outdoors, Budbender Park offers something for everyone. We invite you to come visit, explore, and be part of this vibrant community.